Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a review on these Beauty Treat eyeshadows palette that I just picked up at Burlington Co-Factory. I used this brand before with a lot of their stuff. It ain't just eyeshadow. They have liquid eyeliners, they got everything, and they work pretty good. But like I said, this one's called the Dreamy Metallics palette, and then they only had two. One was all completely, and I mean completely broken up, like all shattered up in pieces. It was horrible. And then this one was like underneath of it, and it was completely new. It was all sealed up. I just took it straight from the box. So let me open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They're all metallic-y, glittery. These are perfect for like people that are trying out makeup, or you know, they don't really have enough money or something. This palette that I picked up in my Burlington was only $5.99. So let me do a few swatches and I'm going to show you how nice they look. Let me try, let's see. There's a lot of nice colors here. I usually wear everything. Glittery, metallic, holographic, neon, fluorescent. Sometimes I wear 3, 4, 5 different colors at once. Bold. And I do the cat eye, eyeliner, and lashes, and all that beautiful stuff. Let me try this one. Look at this. Look how glittery and perfect. It comes on so smooth and velvety. Look at this. You see that? Look how glittery that stuff is. Let me try this pretty one here. Look at that. And you can see like the iridescent color in there. The glitter. Let me try this. It's pretty white. Look at that. Bold white. Beautiful. So let me try this one. Look at that. Beautiful gray with glitter. They're absolutely stunning. And they work. You don't even have to do a lot. Okay, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to swatch it. Not going low like this. Just one little tiny swipe. But I'm going to show you how pigmented these are. Let me try this this color here. One little swipe. Look at that. Look how glittery that is. Very, very pretty. Love it, love it. So I'm really happy with these palettes. With this palette here. It's really nice. It's really pretty. So, yeah. Really nice colors. And you can make all different types of looks with these. I use 3 and 4 different colors at once, and then you blend them together. You could do so many beautiful looks. And I'm not the type that's, you know, people are afraid of wearing color or, you know, glitter, really fancy, intense shadows and stuff. I wear all that. And everybody always says it's nice, or they ask me if I had it done professionally, and I'm like, no, I do it myself. So, yeah, it's called the Dreamy Metallics. And this palette here, I bought at Burlington, was, I believe, $5.99. Yep, $5.99. So that's cheap. So I just took it out of the package. Like I said, it was brand new. And I just wanted to do a quick little review in case y'all were interested in this, or if you ever tried it before, or what you thought about it. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching this review of the Dreamy Metallics eyeshadow palette from Burlington. And, yeah, I will talk to you guys later on. So, anyway, thanks for watching this quick little video. Bye.